In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make changes on the Assessments, Health Support Services, and Equipment page. So starting off in Assessments, you're going to click New. Again, you'll have this page populate. You're going to have a drop-down menu where you can find the different assessments. So I'm looking for the psychological assessment. You put the assessment date, assessed by Dr. So-and-so. The summary of results, so say this student has an intellectual disability in the mild range. I click Save. Again, I like to keep open record on Save so that I can see the entire page, see what came up, and I can close that out. Now, if I want to delete this, I have to go to Students, find the student's name, find Assessments, delete the appropriate one, confirm, yes, and then it'll be deleted. I go back to the IEP, find the student I was working on, and it'll populate right where I left off. The Health Support Services section is for students with more complex needs. So again, another drop-down menu. So say this student was getting nursing assistance with G-tube feed. Again, I would put the start date. I'm assuming that that's going to start the very first day of school, so I would make sure I edited that for a September start date. I would say the position of the individual that is doing that. So that is a nurse. And again, there is a large drop-down menu. You can put the intensity, which would be daily. And the frequency, again, has a drop-down menu, which is daily. We really don't know how long a G-tube feed will be. The location, which would be in a location that you've determined. So it could be a variety of settings. We don't need to put the description, and we're going to hit Save again. All that information is populated here and will show up on the IEP. Now the same format is to delete. You're going to go to Students, find the student's name. You're going to go under and find where the support services are. And there is the G-tube nursing feed. If I feel that I need to delete that, click here, delete, prompts you to say yes, and you're going to confirm that. You have to go back to IEPs to continue working on the IEP. Open that up. And now I'm moving over to equipment. This section, there needs to be no editing done because just to let you know, we're going to be pulling this from PowerSchool. What you're going to need to make sure you do is not edit here. You're going to put everything, or it will be done manually centrally to update the IEP for the equipment that has been ordered through SIA. This does not have to be done by you. You have to make sure that you notice it and you can see the information listed in PowerSchool, and this is where you're going to find this information. Thanks.